This is our EventHub Quality Audit. Our group is me and Murad. Let's get started here. For our project overview, we can see that we looked at EventHub, the event management platform that's in beta. We found that they have a lack of formal testing strategies. This means that bugs can be missed and quality is often on the poorer side. They also show poor defect management, with vague bug statuses like question marks or won't fix. We also saw examples of unprofessional work culture and ethics. We saw that they have misleading pop-ups for users and they cover up critical issues. And they also value investor perception over quality. Their testing is just to reassure investors. It doesn't make sure the product is stable or secure in any way. And this is bad for the overall product. Moving on to our top audit findings, you can see that they use informal testing strategies. They rely on buddy checks and users to report bugs in post-development. They have no structured test plans or formal QA processes in place, and we'll get to that. Investor perception over quality. Bugs are omitted from record intentionally to not panic investors, and bare minimum testing is done just to please investors. They only care about how their product looks externally and not to ensure the product's reliability. Here we go. No QA engineer or team. Developers are expected to quality check their own work. There's no oversight or dedicated role in this project. Ineffective bug logging. Bugs are vaguely noted in a table and are missing severity levels. As we said before, some entries just say seems bad or question mark. This makes it hard to prioritize or resolve any critical issues. And we can see ethical concerns. Potential data leak, bug hidden, misleading fake pop-ups to deceive and save face. So these actions can compromise user trust and violate professional standards. And Murad will present the rest of the slides.
Thank you, Jaden. And hi, everyone. This is Murad. I'm presenting our top 3 recommendations for EventHub's quality crisis and why investing in quality assurance is essential for business survival. So, our first recommendation is to implement formal bug reports template. So, technically, right now, EventHub's bug reports are useless. So on the left, you see the problem report says it doesn't work or it's broken. With no details, there's no steps to reproduce the bugs, and they're missing information such as browser type. On the right, we have a good report sample. We have a clear understanding of steps. We have expected versus actual result. We also have environment details such as browser or device type. The result is bugs get fixed faster, and developers aren't wasting time trying to fix the bugs. Instead of, they're doing something else. Our second recommendation is to replace current Excel tracking software with the real backtracking tools such Jira. So right now, Event Hub uses an Excel. As you can see, it's a mess. The statuses such 3 question marks or looked at are meaningless. So we cannot exactly tell which bug is more important. So technically, the critical bugs such payment failure is treated the same way as cosmetic bugs like ugly button. So the data leak bug was completely hidden purposely to avoid panicking investors, which is very bad for any business. On the right side, we have the opposite, the good sample of tracking software. We have a clear vision of workflow from new to done or fixed. We have priority system here. We also have full visibility and everyone's know what's going on. So this one change would solve most of EventHub's problems with tracking. And the third recommendation that we offer is to hire a dedicated quality assurance person. So right now, EventHub has 0 quality assurance engineers. So technically, developers test their code by themselves, which is equal to bias. And the solution that we offer is to hire a tester, which benefits that the bugs catches early before user sees them, and it stops old bugs through regression testing. So one quality assurance person would improve quality and catch bugs before they reach the users. So to summarize this, what will happen when EventHub implements our recommendations? First, all bugs are visible, so there's no more secret data leaks. Imported bugs gets fixed first. So happier developers because there's a test before release. Someone checks code before it goes live, and fewer complaints or better app because less cows, more time building feature instead of firefighting. So all these recommendations will help to achieve better results for EventHub. And also, one more important thing regarding business case for quality is that, for example, if we look at this chart, to hire a tester would cost EventHub $50,000 per year. But if the quality is bad, then there's a possibility of data breach would cost them $400,000, or angry users would add another $200,000 in lost revenue. Or if they decide to rebuild the app, it may cost another $800,000 or more. So the bottom line, fix the process now or spend years and a lot of money trying to fix the issues. So EventHub must act immediately to transform from firefighting into a quality focused organization. I hope this helps, and thank you for your attention.